Want to meet the most talented kids of India? So come with me as we talk with the child prodigies of our country. This is Disha, and you are watching Detox. All of us love to have good food, but cooking एक ऐसी चीज है जिसमें हमसे बहुत से लोग दूर भागते हैं. And especially during these lockdown days, we don't have the luxury to go out and eat. So guys, you are going to love our next guest, who started cooking at the age of 3.5 in 2014 as the youngest chef of India. So let's welcome our own Kicha, now an adorable 10 years old. He's also famously known as Puttukutti after he appeared on the famous Ellen DeGeneres show. Hi Kicha!
Hello, Disha.
Kicha, our viewers would like to see you do your catchphrase.
I cook, I eat, and I'm hungry for more.
Like a genie, all of us would love to have a Kicha at their place, especially during these times.
There's no need to worry. I'm there with everyone, sharing recipes on my YouTube channel, KitchenTube HD. You can all subscribe, like, and follow on Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter to KitchenTube.
Arey wah! Kicha is too smart not to miss spotlight opportunity. So viewers, go and check out Kicha Tube for tasty recipes. So Kicha, you started at the age of 3.5. So I was trying to wrap my head around, at that age, what can one possibly cook?
Well, in the beginning, we cooked slightly small things. Like I made frozen juice to make popsicles. I made mango ice cream, and I also made so many things. My mom taught me to make. These are all the basic things you need to learn. Like in the beginning, you got to learn all the basics. Then when you slightly grow, you got to learn more advanced things. That's how everything works.
Okay. So how did your mom ensure that the kitchen is child-proof, as in you don't hurt yourself at that age?
Well, at that age, my parents, what they did was they asked me, I can't use a knife or fire until I was age 9. Now when I turned 9, I started using the knife a lot and the fire a lot. Today morning, I just chopped some onions.
Wow. So Kicha, at the age of 6 years, you go to Ellen's show, Little Big Shots, US and UK. You win Child Prodigy Award 2020. So how has been your journey like?
Well, in the beginning, it was slow. I wanted to start an unboxing channel on YouTube, making a YouTube channel was one of my dreams, and doing unboxing too. So I used to watch this channel called EvanTube, and I got inspired to do so. But then at that time I was a kid, so I used to play with the toys more than review them.
Okay.
So then I thought cooking is a good idea. I love cooking. My mom always taught me how to cook. We cooked very small things together. So I started a cooking channel to gain a little bit popularity. Then Facebook bought my mango ice cream video for $2,000.
Wow.
And then it went on. That whole time, only 3 people who was like truly supporting me were my papa, my mama, and my neighbor, my
Didi.
sister.
Wow. So what did you do of that $2,000?
$1,000 I gave to autistic kids. I donated it, and then the other 1,000 I got some camera equipment. Every time I get some money, I always make sure that some of it goes for charity.
That's such a wonderful gestures. I hope all the kids are watching and take inspiration from this act of Kicha.
Thank you very much.
Kicha, can you tell us about your Ellen's experience in little bit detail?
Well, Ellen approached us. They sent an email saying that they wanted us on the show. Me and my dad and my mom didn't know who Ellen was, so we thought it was just a normal interview. But then my sister, however, knew who Ellen was, and she started freaking out. She was jumping around the house. But before the US trip, we had lots of interviews to check if I was compatible to the Ellen show. They were telling me what my favorite candies, chocolates, and stuff. When I went to US, they picked me up in a limousine, took me to Hotel Hilton for like 1 week. I stayed there. Then when I went to the Ellen studio, I understood why they asked for my favorite candy.
Okay.
A jar filled with candy and all my favorite treats and movie CDs and everything. My mom and my dad were super nervous. My sister too. I was very calm. I just went on, talked, had a fun time, and went off. Then now only I realized that it was a big deal. That whole experience was perfect. I love to cook puttu with Ellen. It was really fun time, very funny, and I just simply loved it.
So that's how you got your name also. Puttu Kutti.
Yeah, my name Puttu Kuttu.
Kicha, if out of all these international experiences, you have to pick one, what would that be?
That would be a hard one. I could choose between two.
Which
Either
one?
it's the Steve Harvey in the US, Steve Harvey,
Huh?
or it is Don French in the UK, because I just love their personality. They were so kind and so energetic and so funny.
Interesting. It's a kind of a personal question to you, Kicha. Does recognition and stardom change you at all as a person? Does it impact your social life, school life, or relations with friends?
Maybe just a little bit, like it made me more confident, that is. But
Okay.
then more confident, more open. When I was like little younger, maybe like 1 or 2 years ago, when someone said me very, very personal question, I used to be very, I would never say it. Now I'm a little open. If someone just gave me a mic, I could just go onto the stage and speak for hours.
What is it about cooking that you relish the most?
Obviously, I love to eat.
Oh wow! Answer direct from the heart.
I like the fact that a kitchen, or like when you cook, it's like a science laboratory. You can cook whatever you want.
Okay.
Like me and my mom always experiment on making new dishes and stuff.
Any specific thought? How do you devise your own recipe?
Well, we take normal recipes and we, modify it. Like for example, French toast, right? Well, what we did was make it into a roll, and the filling is Nutella butter. No, Nutella
Okay.
banana.
Apart from being a chef, Kicha dons many hats as well.
Well, I am an amazing cuber, not an amazing. See, my minimum is 17 seconds, but now because I have less time, it's starting to become 30.
So Kicha, now comes the most interesting session of our show. That's the rapid fire round, in which your answers have to be rapid and hopefully full of fire. Kicha, what is your favorite game on PlayStation?
Favorite game on ever PlayStation? It would be Minecraft.
Who is your celebrity crush?
Gordon Ramsay, but then I wish he would not swear so much. And Vikas Khanna, because he shares a lot with charity and he makes amazing funny.
What's your pet peeve while cooking?
It would be when you cut the onions.
Okay. Your guilty pleasure food?
It's a golgappa, but then inside it's chocolate. It's the best combination.
Favorite cooking gadget?
The spoon. The spoon, because you know what.
Anything that you hum during cooking?
I have few songs like "There's one thing I love to do. It's so easy, you can do it too. Doesn't take long not to make. What do I love? I love to bake eggs and flour and butter and stuff. Little bit of sugar, but not too much.
Wow. Favorite travel destination for food?
It would be some, oriental place like China, Japan, Korea, Thailand. In Thailand, there's still so many nice street food like dumplings, chocolate dumplings.
Would you rather cook for vegetarians or non-vegetarians?
Vegetarians, obviously, because non-vegetarians can eat vegetarian food, but vegetarians can't eat non-vegetarian food.
Point है कितना की बात में. Describe your cooking in 2 words.
Yummy, easy.
Short and simple. Favorite Indian street food?
Golgappa, any Golgappa. It can be anything. Favorite Golgappa is a chocolate dip.
Dine out or home party?
Dine out. I like dining out because I like looking at all the new recipes, new ideas.
Okay.
That's one reason. And the other reason is I'm a little lazy.
So Kicha, next question is, are you a dog person or a cat person?
Cat person, because you don't need to do much with them. You can just hug them and go to sleep instead of taking them for a walk.
If you were not a chef, what would you be?
I want to become an astronaut chef, go to space and cook. After many years, there will be no space in Earth. So people will be living in Mars and Moon. So I want to create an oven which will help me cook in space. And it'll have gravity inside of it.
So with this, we are through with the rapid fire round. Amazing performance, Kicha.
Okay, thank you.
questions related to your future. Having already gone places, what next for Kicha?
I want to go to MasterChef, but on the other side. I want to become a taster. I want to become a foodie.
What drives you in life?
Passion, dream, and my mom and my family. My sister has been helping me. She's the one who's loved me all this time. She's the one who's tutoring me. She's telling me like, oh, this is the problem you have. Try fixing that. My sister was the one who told me to not care about popularity.
I can't believe I'm talking to a 10-year-old. So Kicha, you're an absolutely delightful person. But one thing you still owe me. When I come to Kochi,
I have to treat you. I have to treat you. Kerala special. I'll make you some yummy dishes. You know Puttu, Kerala's traditional breakfast? We make it using coconut. And I'll definitely make it for you. And anyone who comes to my house, I'll definitely make it for you.
so thanks Kicha, had a lovely conversation with you and looking forward to meet you in person.
So what I wanted to see is, first of all, you have an amazing name for your channel, Detox. It's a channel I was wondering how can a person get such a good idea. That too, I watched some of your videos and loved them. So keep going, okay? I can't wait for your next video.
Thank you Kicha, thanks for your inspiration.
You're welcome. Don't forget to subscribe, like and follow in Facebook, YouTube and Twitter to my channel KitchaTube and Detox.
Kicha at his best. Thank you Kicha. Bye.
Bye.
So if you want me to take interview of any talented kid that you know, our contact details are mentioned below. Bye.